Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the BONOSS with Space on official channel. So, how to safely install BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit? Installing BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell bolt kit is a way of expressing owner's personality. While obtaining a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. Using torque wrench to remove wheel bolts of your rims. Then install BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 wheel bolts on. Each set has 4 locking wheel bolts that prevent your expensive wheels from being stacked. We install 1 locking bolt on each wheel. Using 17mm socket to tighten the wheel bolt in a star pattern with 114mm. And a special lock key to tighten the locking wheel bolt. Mounting the shell on BONOSS Grade 12.9 wheel bolts. And torque it with 5Nm to 10Nm. If you need to change the shell color, just remove the shell and replace it. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.